Hey, we're getting ready to make the best pizza crust you have ever ate out of our own pizza dough, homemade. It only has 2 ingredients: 1.5 cup of self-rising flour and 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt. And it will make you a 12-inch pizza. And after you make this pizza, you'll find out this is probably the best pizza crust you have ever ate. Okay, now that we got the ingredients in here, it's time to break out the KitchenAid mixer. Oh, there we go. Now here in a minute, I will have the direct attachment for kneading this dough. Notice how sophisticated this direct attachment is. And seriously, you just need to keep working this dough. I didn't add any more flour, didn't add any more yogurt to it. I just kept working it until I got it into a nice ball. We'll speed this up a little. If you had a KitchenAid, or if you have one, it will do all the work for you. Just keep at it until you get a nice ball. Keep kneading it and everything, then make a little ball and cover it up. Keep it covered for about 15 minutes, let it rise a bit, and then you can start making your pizza crust. But I think by the time I get this cling wrap to work and get it on there, the 15 minutes is going to be up. I think the next time I'm just going to lay a towel over it. Yeah, we'll get the smoker fired up and let it rise in temperature. We need to get it up to about 4 to 425 and see if we can't bake a pizza in it. Time for another glass cleaning session. Well, we don't have a pizza stone or anything like that to set it on, so we're going to use this square pan set in here. Now you can use a rolling pin to roll it out and then lay it in there, but I just started pushing it out and making it as big as I can in this pan to make this pizza. It takes a little bit to get it pushed out, but keep working it, and there again, if you want to use a rolling pin, that works too, I'm sure. But I just pushed it out there and just kept working with it until I got it where I needed it or thought it should be. And well, now I don't think that looks too bad. It's time to get this pizza made and put it in the smoker. Okay, we moved over to another counter where it'd be a little bit easier, I think. And now for our pizza sauce, I used Italian sausage and garlic spaghetti sauce. Couldn't find any pizza sauce, but you know, I believe this is going to be pretty close to the same anyways. Now we'll get this sauce on here and spread it all around. Get it on there real good. I believe that will work right there. Now it's time for the other goodies. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the mozzarella cheese on there first. Now we're going to add some pepperoni on there. Get that all covered good with the pepperoni. I think I'm afraid of having any gaps in my pizza. Okay, we're going to add Canadian bacon to the pizza. We have a pepperoni and Canadian bacon. Sounds good. Or should I made it half and half? Oh well. Now we're adding a little bit of bell pepper over it. The wife don't eat spicy stuff, so we're using bell pepper here, and I like bell pepper on my pizza, along with onions. Now after we get them bell peppers put on there, we start placing these onions on there, and we'll get them all scattered over it here in just a little bit, and then the next thing, we're going to top it with a little more cheese. And we'll be cooking this in the Pit Boss Pro Series 4 Vertical Smoker. Now that's going to be a nice pizza. Now this will have to cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. And we'll have this placed on the second rack up from the bottom. Hey, this pizza turned out absolutely amazing. What a crust. Man, this pizza was delicious. I don't think you could buy a pizza dough mix any better than what this is. 2 ingredients: self-rising flour and plain Greek yogurt. Hey, look at this. The ring around it, golden brown. Look at the crust. This turned out amazing. Hey, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, I hope you consider subscribing. Hey, if you like one of those other videos, click on it and I'll meet you there.